Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com making this video as a weekly recap. So let's get started. This is one of those first trade oil, US oil, 40-minute chart, 2nd April, and then this is the entry here. And this was a big, huge trade, right? So that's the first one. The second one is pound CAD from 7-minute chart. And CAD gets the benefit when oil gets expensive, so that's how it is. Pound CAD 7-minute, boom, drop on the April 2nd. That's what happened. Oil is always connected to oil production. Okay, EUR-AUD 20-minute short. All the entries you can see on the left hand side with the yellow mark here. Sell order and SL is moved to break even plus. And it is for 145 pip all the way down. Yeah, boom, big time. And similarly, Aussie was getting strong actually. So pound Euro Aussie went down, pound Aussie went down at the same time for 125 pip. But even though it was weaker, Aussie all along it was weak. But so once often we have the news coming in and destroying everything, right? So the direction changes for a little bit, but then again, it resumes. And that's what happened here. USD CAD, again, CAD got stronger all of a sudden. And then see this sending here. I had this trade first and then this one. And this one I just showed you a little while ago. And then this is also again for 100 pip new trade. This was a beautiful entry as well. Let me get rid of this. So this was on the 3rd, April 3rd, and April 4th was nothing. And then from there on, April 4th was again very bad week. NFP week, right? And at the day of NFP, actually, was a Good Friday, and everything was closed. All the banks all over the world, and nothing happened. So that's what happened to the Forex market on Friday. And then here, on the 5th, like 4th, there was nothing. At least I couldn't find any good trade. But then on the 5th, this is the euro yen all the way down. I had this entry first, and then this is the second entry. This was gone. The SL was hit at break even, and after that, the second entry took me all the way down here for 140 pip. And here, Euro Aussie again going to the downside, but from 7-minute chart, just like pound CAD, sell order here for 90 pip. And then here, pound yen, again, from here, all of these were entries, and then this is all the way down here for 90 pip. USD yen on the 5th, from entry from here, and it came down very close to hit my SL, but then it didn't, then drop again for 70 pip. So these are the few trades, very few trades. I had trade weeks when I was like over 20 trades, big one, but now here's only like 9 or 10. But anyway, this is how the business is, sometimes less, sometimes more. So now NFP week, what happened to USD? I have, let me just show you this a little bit, like a 40-minute chart. I made this chart, not this one on the 5th that I posted on my website, Forex Factory, all of that this would happen. And this is 2 days before, 1 day before actually. I made it on the 5th, then 6th in between, and then 7th was the NFP. So I made this chart. It says that USD is going to get strong, and this is the pattern it's making at 161%. And these 4 pair will go down, and these will go up. So I posted this chart everywhere, and look what happened as of today. NFP after here, this is the place. And NFP came and it went up a little bit and then died out because, like I said, that the banking industry was completely closed on Friday. So no volume whatsoever. And now on Sunday, when the market opens up, we will see that how really the reaction of that news would be. And the news is very positive for USD, right? NFP news. So it should get strong. And let me see if I have the live. This is what the USD index weekly chart I made on the 7th April that is going to go up towards this target. And now it has started to go there. And this is how it is going, actually. See this nicely going, and then now it's turning bullish here. And it will, you see this TL, and then break the TL, come back, tested it, and then going to the upside. So now this is a very nice long setup. It start to go up, and then what will happen? 4 of those pairs will go down, 3 USD pairs will go up, right? So that's how it is. So yeah, just I want to show you guys and share with you that, and be ready because you know, as USDB on the move next week after the NFP. So we're gonna have some good USD trades. I have the setups already made. I'm gonna send out those charts to my subscribers by tomorrow, I guess. So if you want to be a part of it, you like what you saw and you want to learn and be a part of this group, I have a Telegram where I post heads up about the upcoming trades and setups and all of that, and you get to be a part of that. So yeah, if you want to sign up, you just go on my website here, creativetradingsystems.com, subscribe, right? You can subscribe monthly, you know, weekly, monthly, whatever, you know, yearly, or you can sign up for one-on-one course if you want, right? If you need to learn everything. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get my videos as soon as I upload them, because some of those videos have very, very good setups, like this one. USD is going to go up, and you have 7 possible trades in your hand, 7 possible pairs, which will give you several trades in your, in the future. Okay, so be on the alert. I'll be posting, and this is it. Goodbye now, and talk to you guys later.